Olivia.
Huh?
What do you think of that?
That's Mommy's favorite.
Do you like that?
There's another little piece.
We're watching Olivia. Oh, she must like it.
Mmm.
But eat it out of whipped cream.
Yeah, maybe it's a whipped cream.
Oh, she likes pumpkin. Can somebody move that?
Okay, I got
Okay,
it
now
up.
do it slowly, Tony, so
Here.
I can take a picture. No, she still has a mouth.
Take that one. That one's mine.
Here, have it up.
That's just
Oh, that's a good one.
what? Let's see. I'm gonna put all the little crummies and give them to Olivia.
Aww.
I think she likes it.
Okay, move your hand, Dada. Oh. I think she wants some more, Grandpa.
Yeah, the mouth is all.
Yeah. Aww.
She likes it.
Good thing.